What would be, I guess, the sentiment for gold, let's say, and precious metals with all the uncertainty in the markets? Where do you place gold? Do you think it's going higher? Will it level off? We're making new all-time highs in the past 6, 7 months and continue to make new all-time highs. But what are your thoughts on the precious metals?
Yeah, what's interesting is we look at gold in a couple different aspects. First, we look at like the Dow gold ratio because I think that gives us a good indication of where we are in terms of monetary inflation. And that Dow gold ratio peaked in July of 1999, 26 years ago, when the Dow could buy about 40 ounces of gold. And now we're down 71%, 72%, I think, as we're speaking, from that peak reading in 1999. That was the peak of the Dow's real value in terms of real money. Now, what's interesting is that gold, since that high in July of 1999 relative to the Dow, is up, I think, about 1,100%, whereas the Dow itself is only up about 500%. And then, NASDAQ's up about 600%. So gold has outperformed the stock market over the past 26 years. Now, more recently, we got bullish on gold around 1810 in October 2023. It's had a tremendous run. We thought it got a little bit overdone around 3,200. And we said, you know what? I think this could be the end of the run. And then since then, we bounced up even higher than that. So we may have to reassess that as gold has been proven to be, I think, the ultimate safe haven. I think on a short-term basis, it's got a little bit ahead of itself. A lot of the indicators we're looking at suggest that there could be a short-term pullback here, or at least a short-term pullback. So in the near term, you got to be a little bit careful. But I think overall, people need to have gold as a part of their portfolio because it really is the ultimate safe haven. And we can see that as other assets have been declining in terms of value, gold still has held its value and is continues to move higher.